Researchers consisting of Norwegian and Swedish scholars instructed participants to perform a task of finding inaccurate spelling for 15 minutes. And after completing the task, they were divided into two groups. Researchers showed one group the pictures of Norway's beautiful coast and farm, and the other group the pictures of the bustling downtown of Norway's capital, Oslo. As a result, the participants' pulse, which accelerated during the task, slowed down. However, even though it was only shown through a small monitor, the pulse of the group who saw the pictures of nature recovered faster than the group who saw the pictures of downtown. Psychologists Rachel and Stephen Kaplan asserted that directed attention fatigue occurs due to a maintained prolonged effort to focus attention, resulting in mental fatigue, and they found that the natural settings are especially effective for promoting attention restoration. This is called the attention restoration theory. There are many thieves around us who steal our attention. We should have a good rest. A good rest to restore attention is not to do anything, but to connect to nature. It is said that changing the wallpaper of computer to nature, or placing a small flower pot around you is also effective, so make good use of it.